Hello kids, how are you? So let's revise first all the vyanjans we have done in Hindi. K, K, G, Gh, अंक खाली. Ch, Ch, J, Jh, इयां खाली. T, Th. You have done till here. T and Th. After Th, what comes? D. And then Dh. So today we will do D and Dh. So see, this is D. D se dakiya, D se damru, D se double roti. Do you know what is double roti? You like to eat bread at home, na? That bread is called double roti in Hindi. Okay? So, this is dh. Dh se dhakkan, dh se dhal, dh se dholak, dh se dafli. So, this is d and this is dh. So, now let's see how to write them. First of all, you will write the date here and then one small standing line and then make a S. This is D. Sleeping line, small standing line and make one S. Okay? Then comes Dh se dhakkan. First make a T, then make it round from this side. Okay? This is Dh dhakkan. Once again, T and turn it round. Dh. Okay, now you have to write full page for D and Dh and you have to draw the pictures also. Okay, see you. Bye.